Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the consumables levels, which means all your brushes and everything, whether they're ready for replacement or cleaning and everything on your XIAOMI Robot Vacuum X20 Max. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner, then find Consumables Management. Now, as you can see, it shows me that the mop pad is 68% and it has 54 hours left approximately. And after that, they should be replaced or cleaned. You can see the main brush, the side brush, and the filter. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.